Yo, what's up, guys? So, got some really exciting news from Merch by Amazon. They updated our dashboards in the back end. I want to get straight into this content because I'm really excited. I know people have questions. What are the best ways to get my products ranking again? So, that's what most people are asking right now are, what can I do to get my product selling again? Okay, when it comes to that, it's the algorithm, right? Getting your product ranking, getting eyeballs on your product again, and get it selling to how it used to be. So I'm gonna deliver the message to you guys, what Merch by Amazon said, and also to give you guys some value on what you guys can do to get your product ranking again and get those sales going again. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, yo, what's up? What's going on? So I posted this yesterday, guys, in the actual Facebook group. If you guys are unaware of the Merch by Amazon Mastermind Facebook group, it will be in the description down below. And if you guys are unaware, too, I also do have a private group off of Facebook, too, because some people do not like to be on Facebook. It's called Ready, Aim, Scale private group. Content released weekly over there, guys. Boom, 2 sales right there, because you know it's real. What's up, guys? It happened live, right? So the 2 sales just came in live right there, so that's a good sign. And it's slowly coming back in, but yeah, like I said, going back to what I was saying, Ready Aim Scale is a private group. We release weekly content. We do Q&A, weekly Q&A stuff, and also too, we've been doing public lives too, as well as. We've been doing public lives as well there too, and trying to just get the content out there more to you guys and trying to help people succeed when it comes to online business. So I will have that down below in the description down below too. I will have that down below in the description too as well. So if you guys haven't checked that out, go check that out too as well. So yeah, and like I said, I posted this about the check the dashboards. Let's go. We can see right here, people are commenting in here like crazy, and they're excited about everything that's going on because Merch by Amazon is back, guys. It is back. So let's go over to the actual dashboard of Merch by Amazon. My back end of my account says right here, right? May 1st. All right, Cinco de Mayo in 3 days. Okay, says thank you for your patience as we prioritize the products that customers need at this time and implemented extensive health and safety measures in our print centers to protect our employees. We are restoring U.S. merch products, okay, which will allow customers to purchase them on an ASIN by ASIN basis. Okay, what's ASIN by ASIN basis? I seen a few people comment about that. Basically, what it is, they're basically putting the products out there so from each account, right, they're putting them out there. So each product out there, one by one. While we are improving delivery speeds across Amazon, we may see longer delivery promises due to capacity and constraints. So, actually, so on one of my listings, I'll pop that up. Boom. So I pulled up one of my products that sold. I'm gonna blur a lot of this stuff out. Pulled up one of my products that sold, and you can see the delivery times, guys. So the delivery date on this specific product, right, that just sold right now, is Thursday, May 14th, right? So as everything goes along and as everything comes back to normal, they're trying to speed up the delivery times, but it's still good as of right now. They're bringing that back, and the delivery times are still they're decent right now. I'd rather take that than not having it at all, right? So something to think about right there. So that's a good thing. So as everything speeds up and everything gets back to normal, hopefully, right, the shipping times will be much better. So of course we're gonna miss Mother's Day, and that's okay as long as we got our products back live and they're coming. I can see the catalog coming back slowly but surely. And the way you can check that, guys, is by clicking on the brand, and you know that it's your brand, right? You click on the brand, you can see that the designs and the products are coming back slowly, okay? Not very fast, but they're coming back slowly, so that's a good sign. I know everyone's count is going to be different, so you guys got to keep that in mind too as well. It's very important that you guys understand it's like they have a lot of accounts, right, to get to get back to normal, right, to bring up the ASINs and bring them back into the catalog. So understand that, okay? Now, yeah, so that's pretty exciting. Let me take you over here to, you can see yesterday, 18 sales, take it. Today, I'm at 6. That's pretty cool, right? You can see 00000, and then boom, they brought it back alive yesterday. I was actually on my computer working, right? Let me tell you the story. I was on my computer working, and then I got a cell. I was like, what the heck is that? I was like, probably from the UK or Germany, whatever. And all of a sudden, I got another cell. I was like, boom. I was like, interesting. Okay, let me go check my dashboard. And I checked. I was like, because me and my buddy, we have another buddy. We kind of like, when do you think Merch by Amazon is going to come back? I was like, probably mid-May. That's my guess. He's like, I think the beginning of June. So we're both about 2 weeks to a month off. And then all of a sudden, I got a notification. Like, boom, the products are coming live, ASIN by ASIN. And then someone posted in the Facebook group, like, I think the U.S. market is coming live again. I just got a sale in the U.S. I was like, uh-oh. There it is. And then that notification came in. So I was like, yes, pretty excited about that. So that's pretty cool, right? The other stream of income that's going to be coming in. So that's really exciting. Now, the good stuff, right? Okay, what can you do? What can you do to get in front of, what can you do to get your products back ranking again, okay? If you guys are unaware, your products haven't been selling, okay? What does this mean? Your products haven't been selling, right? So they haven't been active on Amazon. They're there, but they can't purchase them. So your BSR takes a hit, right? So you usually, let's say, for example, you have a shirt that's on the front page. It's not on the front page no more, right? Because you haven't been making sales. So what Amazon does is put it back to the third or fourth or fifth or sixth page because this product is not selling. So what are you going to do to get it selling again and get it back on that front page? Okay. I'm going to show you an example. What you're going to do is basically run AMS, okay? Or if you don't have AMS, you're going to leverage some type of traffic that you have on a different type of social media, okay? So if you have a brand that you're building and you have a following on, what I mean by that, you have a following on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, what else is there? TikTok, LinkedIn, whatever the heck it is. Email list from that you gathered, and now your products are live again on Amazon. You send them out an email or whatever way you're generating traffic. Okay, so that's very important that you guys understand that. If you guys don't have that, you got to figure that out. This is the way that I'm doing it right now. Is I'm running AMS, and I'll show you in the back end that I have made a few sales yesterday by running AMS. AMS is a different ball game. It takes time to understand it. Can't just hop in there and spend $100 and expecting to make sales. You have to understand it and understand the data that it's giving you in return as you spend money. So very important that you understand that. Very important. So I'm going to show you guys right here, and I'm going to blur a lot of this stuff out, guys, because it's my private stuff, right? So yesterday, as you can see, 7 orders, right? Spent $30, $135 in sales. My break even, okay, break evens are usually around 25% to 26% ACOS. I did a previous video too. I'll show you guys how to figure out your ACOS. I'll put that right up here too as well. Everyone's ACOS is different, okay? So my break even, I'm happy if I get it below 25 to 26%. The goal is I want to get it around like 15 to 20%, my personal goal, right? So I'm still in the profit with AMS and not break even. Right now, I'm in the profit with it. So what you got to do is figure out what your AMS is and not your AMS, your ACOS is, and get eyes on your shirt. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your ASIN, right, and you're going to go ahead and create a new campaign. Okay, create new campaign down here, and what that's going to do is gonna basically pull this, choose your campaign type, and you just come over here to sponsored products, right, and this is just a short little insight of how you're gonna launch an ad with your products that you have live, right? So you can see right here with the campaign name, you can name it whatever niche you want, and we'll go like this is going to be a fast little. I'm making content on this too as well. You're gonna put your, like I said, check out that other video that I did, and it kind of breaks it down for you, and then you just gonna run a campaign, right? Put your niche ASIN here, and then your daily budget $5. Run an ad automatic in this one. Bids down. So dramatic bids down only. Just leave it up there for now. Ad group name, you can just copy and paste this if you want here. Just put your ASIN here, okay, and then you're gonna run an ASIN here and search, and then as you search, it's gonna pop up down below right here your product, and then you add it over here, and then you put your ad bid. I recommend starting off at 20 cents. Okay, and then you launch the campaign, and boom, you run an ad. So that is the best way right now I showed you guys right there. Yesterday, I got 7 orders from AMS. Okay, that is the best way right now. If you don't have outside traffic that's just driving to your t-shirts, the best way to do it is run AMS, and that's how you're going to get more sales, and that's how you're going to get your ranking back in your shirt. Okay, most of the pretty much all the shirts, right, lost their ranking. So right now, what do you got to, if you pause your ads too, that's what I did on my campaign. As I paused all my ads when they closed down in the US, and then now I re-enabled them, unpaused them, and now they're running and they're getting impressions, and you can see in that previous screen, you can see that they're getting sales. So yeah, hopefully this video helps, guys. If you have any questions related to merch by Amazon, please comment down below, and follow me along and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna be making content weekly for you guys and trying to pump out as much content for you guys to help you guys learn, help you guys be successful, help you guys make your first sale, or help you with whatever, okay? So if you guys got any value from this, give this video a thumbs up, and peace out, guys.